I think they have a kind of snow, right? What do you call it? Like snowstorm?
Snowstorm!
Oh my god. Hello guys!
Hello guys, welcome to our channel,
Indo Filipino.
Langshin. Hi guys! So far this is the biggest snow we have. We're actually on winter storm. So I don't think it's gonna stop yet. I think they're still coming until maybe 1 a.m.
What you gonna do tonight?
Tonight,
Hmm?
we're gonna drink to make our body warm.
You have drink?
We're gonna
What
stop
you got?
I got vodka, but we're gonna stop in the liquor store.
It's still open?
Well,
Hmm?
it's so snowy.
Okay. So your talent. Play! Jump dong, jump! What are you doing?
The car.
Wow! Nice car!
Yes, my Lambo, my
Damn.
Lambo.
How much you buy?
It's a lot of money, buddy.
Oh!
See that the song?
Wow! Damn nice! Nice car, dude! Nice car!
Yeah, cleaning up. Time to cleaning up. Look at that.
Yes!
Hey, hi Nika.
Hi, Nika! Hey, Nika, what's up, Nika? What you gonna do?
I'm gonna get my car, dog.
Oh my god! Where's your car?
We're there.
Oh my god! Damn! Nice car, dude! Wow! Everybody has a nice car here. Look. Yes.
Look at this one. American muscle. Yes,
American horse.
yes, horse. Wild horse.
Wild horse. Okay, everybody doing vlogging. Damn! What you doing? Big snow today,
Yes.
right?
It's gonna be my last snow in USA.
Last snow? No,
Yes.
not possible. Maybe another couple years. I don't think so.
Goodbye, USA. Goodbye. $20 here.
When you come back to where? Mexico?
Oh,
Come back to Bali, huh? Wow.
to Bali. Yes.
Last snow.
Put your eyes here. There we go. Clean, clean.
What's up, bro? Say hello to Gusti Astina YouTube. Say hello.
Hello,
Where are you from, dude?
my friend from Indonesia. From Bali.
What's your name?
My name is Kadek.
Kadek.
Yes.
Kadek Emilio. Yeah. Wow, nice. Hah? Kenapa besut nih? Besut?
Hello.
Oh.
See that?
See that? Yeah. Big snow without gloves, see?
See that? Without glove.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Look at how thick the snow. Maybe like how many inch? Berapa inch kira-kira nih, Bli?
Hopefully.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Subscribe and tick my tombol, okay?
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, this is what we're doing now. There's a big snow, so we're cleaning the snow. Ricky Bobby. He's famous in USA. Yes, he's master chef. Yes, damn ass car, nice car. Woo. Yes. Okay, dude. Safe drive, okay? Please stay warm, guys. Stay warm. Safe drive.
I think they have a snow, right? What do you call it? Like snowstorm?
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also click the bell button to get the notification as soon as I upload the new video, okay? Thank you!